All right, everybody. This is our first opportunity to take advantage of potentially a little bit of extra time if you've gotten your quiz done early to think ahead a little bit about some of the content in our chapters to come. So we're going to think a little bit about some material from chapter 3 in respect to just ways to engage addition and subtraction at their most foundational level. Again, I recognize that all of us have been adding and subtracting for a very long time, and so we've got some background knowledge that is both helpful, but also could be, as the research calls, a curse of knowledge. So you want to really try to break down those fundamental ideas and think about, okay, if this is a kid that's thinking about this for the first time, how can I help them engage in the concepts that are here? So as you look at the material that's here, the first thing that I'd like you to do is to watch the video of the young girl who's thinking through one of these problems. I don't have anything in particular that I want you to do as a response to this, but just to think about her strategies, because then when you get to the PDF that's attached here, this is where we're going to kind of put on paper some of these ideas. So one, the beginning task that's in that PDF is going to be this task here, where you're going to be thinking kind of hypothetically. So there's A dollars and B dollars. So you don't know the exact amount, but we're going to think about how those amounts relate to each other. So the purchaser is giving the shopkeeper a certain amount of money, but the purchase itself is not that exact same amount of money. So we're going to try to think that through, give some representations that might help us with that. And then the other bit that you're going to look at is some early kind of formulations of addition, and to think about what this means, what it is that we actually have to do to find those question marks, what's really going on there in the midst of it. And then really the heart of the conceptual understanding is, what do you see that's similar or different across those problems, and to think about which of those is solved in the same way or differently. Again, this is not an assignment per se, but the more that you can do, the better prepared you will be for our class coming up here the next time that we meet. So enjoy, take risks, see what you can figure out, and feel free to work with somebody nearby you. You just need to make sure you're not talking too loud as your classmates are finishing up their assessment. All right, take care. God bless.